Dutch, and we are currently in the Portman unit of the East Building. This unit is 2,459 square feet, featuring 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, with several upgrades incorporated in the unit. Some of the upgrades you'll see in the kitchen here is this wonderful big island, upgraded quartz countertops, backsplash, upgraded Bosch stainless steel appliances, and wonderful upgraded pendant lighting. Over here, you walk right into the dining and living area, which is in a great big space. And then you head towards the last unit that has a corner balcony. Overlooking this balcony, you're looking at McPherson Commons and the downtown skyline. Right off from the dining area, you have your guest suite, which includes a great closet and a bathroom setup, including a shower tub. Now let's check out the master. The master suite is privately set back from the rest of the space, which allows for more privacy. You do have a nice entry closet from the entryway, a half bath for guests, your laundry room, which is conveniently located right by the master suite. And then now we're in the master bedroom. This master bedroom features 2 big closets and a large bathroom setup. You have your first closet over here, which has tons of space. And then your master bath, featuring upgraded plumbing fixtures. Thank you for visiting Parkside.